Here's a quick video about my opinion on investing. This is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. I believe that anyone who has more than 3 months of their cost of living saved up should put all the additional funds into an investment. Now, investments can be a variety of things. It could be the stock market, it could be real estate, it could be a company. That's kind of yours to decide. I think that for anyone who doesn't know anything about investing, the easiest option is to follow Warren Buffett's advice. Warren Buffett essentially says just open a brokerage account, which is an account in order to allows you to buy stocks, and invest 90% of it into the S&P 500 and then 10% of it into bonds. There are a lot of simple ways to do this. Even if you don't know anything about this, it will most likely take you no more than 30 minutes of research online and reading in order to make sure that you know how to invest into the S&P 500, how to invest into bonds. And again, you can go search up online like Warren Buffett's advice. And so, yeah, again, just a short video, give my opinion. I think that lots of people aren't aware that they should be investing their money and they have large amounts of savings just stacked up. Essentially, what happens is people aren't aware that your money is losing value due to inflation. The cost of living, the cost of things always goes up over time. That is a fact. It is a constant. It always goes up over time. So if you just leave your money aside for a rainy day and then you don't use it for, 10, 15, 10, 20 years, that money has lost some of its purchasing power, right? So that same amount of money can now buy less things. The goal of investing is so that you can maintain that purchasing power, so that that same amount of money grows just enough that it can still at the least buy the same amount of stuff. And if you're lucky and your investments do good, then hey, maybe you can buy more stuff. So hope you guys like this advice. I do videos on YouTube about day trading, options trading, so look it up if you're interested.